Magandang gabi mga kaibigan, sa aking mga subscriber, sa aking mga silent viewer. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Shout out sa inyo lahat. Meron nga pala akong mga lahat ngayon mga kaibigan. Ito 2015. Ang ganda pa niya parang frosted pa siya tamo, ang ganda ng pagka-coins niya, kaya tinabik siya. Kato 1997, lumang-luma na siya pero may error kasi siya sa overs mga kaibigan, ito yan ito yung error niya ito extra metal, tsaka to high mint, upper mint mark, tsaka to frosted to mga kaibigan frosted 2012. Itong isang to mga kaibigan 2012 to 10 peso. May mga extra metal ito na maliliit. Itong camera kong to, nagluluko ata itong camera kong to. May mga maliliit yan na extra metal sa cogwheel nya, hindi makita. Okay lang yan. Ito yung pag-uusapan natin mga kaibigan si Sergio Osmeña, ang 50 pesos. Kalaman muna tungkol kay Sergio Osmeña mga kaibigan. Sergio Osmeña, born September 9, 1878, Cebu City, Philippines. Died on October 19, 1961, Manila. Was a Filipino statesman, founder of Nationalist Party, Partido Nacionalista, and President of the Philippines from 1944 to 1946. Osmeña received a law degree from the University of Santo Tomas, Manila in 1903. He was also editor of the Spanish newspaper El Nuevo Dia in Cebu City. In 1904, the U.S. Colonial Administration appointed him governor of the province of Cebu and fiscal district attorney for the province of Cebu and Negros Oriental. 2 years later, he was elected governor of Cebu in 1907. He was elected delegate to the Philippines National Assembly and founded the Nationalist Party, which came to dominate Philippine political life. Osmeña remained leader of the Nationalist until 1921, when he was succeeded by Manuel Quezon, who had joined him in the coalition. Made Speaker of the House of Representatives in 1916, he served until his election to the Senate in 1923. In 1933, he went to Washington, D.C., secure passage of the Hair Hose Cutting Independence Bill, but Quezon differed with Osmeña over the bill. Provision to retain U.S. military bases of independence. The bill veto by the Philippine Assembly was superseded by the Tiding-McDuffie Act of March 1934, making the Philippines of Commonwealth with a large measure of independence. The following years, Osmeña became Vice President with Quezon as President. He remained Vice President during the Japanese occupation when the government was in exile in Washington, D.C. on the death of Quezon in August 1944. Osmeña became president. He served as president until the election of April 1946, when he was defeated by Manuel Rojas, who became the first president of Independent Republic of the Philippines. So, yun ang naging buhay ni Sergio Osmeña. Kaya pala siya ginawan din siya ng pera. Ito yung pera, 50 peso. Yan mga kaibigan. 50 peso, Cell Type 5, National Museum. Pictures, Philippines, Issuer Philippines, Issuing Bank, Central Bank of the Philippines, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, period, Republic 1946 date, type, Standard Banknote, years, 2001 to 2013. Value 50 peso, currency peso, composition paper, papel lang pala to. Kalain mo yung papel lang to. Papel lang pala to. Nagtipid ang Pilipinas dito pala. Size 160 by 60 mm, shape rectangular. Demonetized December 29, 2017. Bars of Sergio Osmeña, front facing at left center. Mace and gable and Fuentes 20 Osmeña of right. Bank seal at left at right center. Ito yun. Ito yung sinasabing Fuentes. Ang gabel. Gabel. O nga. Mace and gabel. Ito yung mace. Mga kaibigan, ito yung mace. Ito. Ito yung gabel. Ang 20 Osmeña at right. Ito si Osmeña. And then bank seal at right center. Ito naman si bank seal. Reverse, National Museum, formerly Legislative Palace at the center. Ibig sabihin, nandito yung Congress noon sa National Museum. Yan yung Congress noon, ang National Museum. Gusali ng pambansang museo, 50 piso. Punta na tayo sa price niya mga kaibigan. Walang price ang 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006. Uncirculated lang 130. 2007 wala ring price. 2008 meron 190 uncirculated, mahal din. 2009 merong very fine 52, 160 ang uncirculated. Mahal pala itong papel na to 2010 wala ring presyo. Dalawa ang 2010 signatures, Macapagal Arroyo and Titangco. Very fine lang, 84 pesos. Wala lang presyo ang 2011 at 2012, 2013. Uncirculated lang. 130. Uncirculated lang, 130. Mahal din pala itong papel na to. So mga kaibigan, baka naman makapaglambing ng subscribe. Pa-press na subscribe, pa-press na notification bell, para select ng all, para ma-notify kayo pag nag-upload ako ng video. Pa-like na rin ang video at kung gusto nyo i-share, pa-share na rin. Magandang gabi mga kaibigan. Shout out sa inyo lahat. Salamat.